Well, howdy, y'all. We're gonna be fixing this nice, dandy little Xbox right here. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do, see this storage space right here? I have to get it. Shit. Alright, dust coming out and everything, good sign. That means that boy's been around for generations. Alright, we gotta do some like Morse code on it and shit. Thumb scanner. Press all the other buttons. Alright, now we're gonna have to find some scrap parts that's just laying around in this warehouse. I guess I'll look here, right? Hey, this works. First part, damn. Alright, we got... That worked. Hey, Technic. Alright. Hey, can you get that piece for me right there? Thank you there. Put that right there. Alright, so... that's good. Alright. Let's see how this goes. This is the fun part, alright? Well, you get your nice... Look at this TV right here. Nice dandy TV right there. Oh, we found that in this here warehouse. Alright, so what you do, you go to the back of it. You, yeah, that's probably right. We got this random power cord here. I guess I'll just plug that in. Now we get them cables. Now these TV. All right. Fuck. Blue. And the blue one, green and the green one, and red and the red one. Whoa! This is a fun. All right. Perfect. We got shit working. Hit the power button on that. Oh my god. He actually did it. And that's how you fix an Xbox. Peace.